So I will start the system now to check the pressure drop. So like I said, we are operating with a frequency converter. So this means we keep a constant volume flow. In this case, 1,000 cubic meters per hour. And as you can read on the Magnetic gauge, the pressure drop is about 300 Pascal over the recleanable stage and about 190 Pascal over the second filter stage. And it's important that the second filter stage will not rise because this will indicate a problem with the first filter stage. So now we can start to suck in the 30 kilograms of concrete. So you can see the pressure drop is rising. And it's now going nearly to 1,000 Pascal. So you see here the filter media, you see the dust. And now after switching off, the fan will stop. After the fan stopped, the raw gas damper will close. And then again the recleaning process will start. Because the efficiency of an offline recleaning is higher than an online recleaning. So now the damper closes and now it's activated again. And then you can see later on, so it's moving now upwards. Reach the top level, and now it starts the recleaning process, and it's pushing the dust back to the front end. So you can see how it is blowing the dust out of the filter element. And when you have a look on the rear side, you can see on the clean air side the technique how it is moving. So the damper closes, and then you can see how the bar is moving topward without compressed air, and once it reaches the level on the top side, it will start with the cleaning process. So it flushes compressed air to the filter element and will release the dust on the raw air side. We use compressed air with a pressure of approximately 4 bar, which creates then approximately 6,000 Pascal within the filter element media. To see if we have a change in the pressure drop, so we started with 300 Pascal. During the operation, it raised to 500 Pascals. We had now the offline recleaning, which is more efficient than an online recleaning. And now, after the start, we will wait until it reaches again 1,000 cubic meters per hour. And you can see we are almost back to 300 Pascals from the beginning. So this means the offline recleaning has released the remaining dust from the filter element, and it's nearly a brand new filter. So I will switch off the unit again, and then we want to see how much of the 30 kilograms we put in we can get out of the unit again. So again, after switching off, there will be the recleaning cycle twice, and after that we can open the damper to release the dust into the barrel. So now we are ready to release the dust. We have a scale below the barrel. I will set the scale to 0. And now I will open the damper to release the dust into the barrel. We are able to make a safe change via the back-in, back-out technology. So this means we will cut the bag in one process, and therefore we need to clamp the bag into this device. How we do this, we will perform now, and my colleague will help me. Inside the device. So once it is clamped, you can see here in the channel, see that the bag is clamped like a small sausage. And with the hot knife, we can now cut the bag. So it is just a hot knife, and we go through the bag, and we are using PE bags and not PVC bags, because if you use PVC bags, there would be hazardous fumes, and by using PE bags, you avoid this. Cutting is without force. It is just the heat which is going through the bag, and which takes about a minute to cut both ends. Usually you need to wait 2 to 3 minutes to cool down because it's now melted plastic, but we are not that patient, so we will open it now. And then you can see that both ends
are sealed proper and gas tight. Now to change this bag, we need one new maintenance bag and one new ring. The first thing we do is we remove the upper ring. So this ring will be removed, and this ring will be reused afterwards. So we still have one ring left, and this ring is sufficient enough to keep the bag in the right position and sealed. Now we fold back the old bag around the first ring so that the top groove is free. And now we put on the new bag over the old bag. There you need to ensure, when you place now a new maintenance ring, that you don't clamp the old bag to the new bag. So now the new bag is clamped, but still the old bag is fixed. So now you use the new bag as a glove, and then you will remove the old bag. Afterwards, you can secure with the second maintenance ring the now free test groove. Okay. So, and now the system is ready to operate again.